Sharjah Islamic Bank Cashback Card, my honest review and user experience on the best cashback offer. Cashback cards are everywhere, but the Sharjah Islamic Bank Cashback Card claims to stand out. I tested it to see if it truly delivers the best returns, and here's my honest experience. Most people think all cashback cards are the same, but the surprising truth is this card offers up to 2% cashback on groceries, dining, and utility bills, some of the highest rates in the WOA market. I used it for daily purchases, and the cashback accumulated quickly, with clear monthly statements. The application process was straightforward, fully digital, and approvals came within a few days. Once activated, I could track spending, view rewards, and manage my card directly through the mobile app. Simple and intuitive. There are no hidden fees, and international transactions are competitively priced, making it practical for travelers. Some cards charge high annual fees, but this one is free for the first year and reasonable thereafter if you meet the minimum spend. One feature I appreciated is the instant notifications for every transaction. It helps prevent fraud and keeps you aware of your spending habits. Additionally, cashback is credited automatically each month, eliminating any manual steps. The only caveat is that the highest cashback percentages require using the card in specific categories. If your spending habits differ, overall returns may be lower than expected. Overall, the Sharjah Islamic Bank Cashback Card is a strong choice for anyone in the WOA looking to maximize everyday spending rewards. With transparent terms, easy tracking, and solid cashback rates, it's definitely worth considering.